This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Janice Brown. Make this gorgeous newly renovated Gulf access home yours. This home is a must-see. This home features over $150,000 in custom renovations. Renovations were completed by Sinclair Custom Homes, a renowned local custom home builder. Custom features include 3/4 white maple cabinets, West soft close doors and drawers, backsplash, crown molding and etc. Stainless kitchen appliances, stainless deep farmhouse style sink and extended reach faucet, brushed granite countertops, pass-through service window and kitchen to Lanai, electrical, plumbing, wood plank tile, hurricane impact resistant windows, dual master bathroom sink, second bath also serves as a pool bath and regular bathElectric fireplace, West heater insert, Lanai Pool Cage, saltwater pool system, pool pump and heater, exterior overhead shutter doors, interior and exterior lighting, outdoor kitchen, heating air conditioner system, water heater, ceiling fans, doors, master closet shelving, vinyl privacy fence, and painted interior and exterior. Pocket sliders leading to Lanai. All bedrooms have large walk-in closets. Circular driveway, seawall, dock, and Davits. Home is in Flood Zone X500. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Brown at 239-980-1973.